Okay everybody, I'm here with my 2019 Dodge Durango RT, and this is a follow-up video to a recent video I posted where I installed a catch can. It's been about 15, 16, maybe 1700 miles since I installed it, and I wanted to give you a look at what job the catch can is doing. So before I take it off here, I want to say, if this is helpful to you, please like and subscribe. It really helps me with what I'm trying to do here. And if you have questions, please comment. I always respond. So here we go. Here's my catch can. In that recent video, you can see how I installed it. I will note that when I popped the hood here, I found that my bolt had come slightly loose. It was a little wobbly. So I recommend after install that you go back, make sure that's tight. And perhaps even it's worth a little drop of blue Loctite just to keep that thing held in place while the motor shakes. So I have the catch can here. It was installed, like I say, it should be catching oil as it blows by here. So what I'm going to do is just carefully unscrew it and show you what we've caught. So there we go, nice little pool of oil there. And what you should do is every so often empty that out. If this gets too full, it is not going to perform the job that it is meant to. But there you go, there's the catch can in action after roughly 1500 miles. So if you have a 5764, I certainly recommend the installation of a catch can. I think you'll be happy with the results, and good luck. This is an easy one, didn't cost a lot of money. I recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and questions in the comments. Thank you, everyone.